In this video, I want to show you a little bit about the simulator function inside Tax Planner Pro. And this is a great tool that allows you to run what-if scenarios and test different line items of your tax return. So what we have at the top here is what your current tax projection inside Tax Planner Pro shows. And again, this is coming from syncing your QuickBooks to Tax Planner Pro, and it now knows what next year's tax returns are likely to look like. And it's showing you some critical information in these other two boxes under income and deductions and payments. And then down below here we have several tabs that allow you to play or run what-if scenarios with different line items. So watch what happens here. I'm going to, in personal deductions, just increase my non-cash charitable contributions by $500. And once I've entered that, it automatically updates what my tax projection looks like. It updates my, every facet of this with my itemized deductions. And you can do this in several of these different categories. So if I want to put a 401k contribution in of, let's say, $10,000 and see what that does, it lowers my taxes by right around $4,000. And using this, you can take the ideas that we're showing you in the planning module and start to test what amounts you want to do. So if I'm kind of curious on, well, do I want to do $10,000 in my 401k, or maybe I just want to do $5,000? What will that do? Let me enter that. I see. A smaller change to my tax, and the tax came up a little bit because I originally had $10,000 in there. Let's say I want to do a 401k and a SEP IRA. Let's say I want to do a $12,000 SEP IRA contribution. And the tax comes down. This has several different tabs in it, so you can do other tax items here. You can even put in your payments. So if I made a $14,000 first quarter estimated tax payment, let's say in second quarter I paid another $14,000. Now you can see my taxes have come down by that $14,000 payment. If I've got withholding and I've just got it as of today, I want the system to project for me what it'll be later. So as of today, let's say I have $3,000 in withholding. It's actually going to project what it's going to be at the end of the year. Or if I know what it's going to be at the end of the year, I can put for the whole year here. Probably increase the tax a little bit because that's for the whole year instead of just through today. So if you play around with this, and let's say you've got a number of different items in the simulator, and you can see that anytime you've got an input typed in, it turns purple here in the little outline. If I want to reset it back to the original projection, the standard projection that's in the summary page of Tax Planner Pro, I just hit reset right here, and everything goes back, and I can start a new simulation if I want to. This is great for trying to test different ideas that you may have, or things that are coming up that you know are coming up, or moves that you want to make. Again, just another great tool at Tax Planner Pro. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us with this blue chat button right here, and I'll see you in the next video.